me and Shayla's job for this morning for the cleaner, now that it's cancelled, is getting rid of the here. So we've got our little caddy, we've got our side cutters, Jackie and Taylor out doing the other side, and we're also picking up these signs. People don't realise the amount of logistics and packing up and setting up and unpacking and all that goes into running an event like this, and today's our first taste of that. So I guess
now we can't see.
Are you okay? Alright, we've got our last banners. That's, I think we've got 12. It just constantly looks like it's going to rain though. Oh, whoa, there's a big that rain.
It's very windy.
Very.
To line up, or do you want?
Hey, I want the fronts to line up. Okay. The old guys are there.
Oh, he's committed.
Oh, he's coming to say something.
Oh.
Yeah, perfect.
We did a little bit of editing and we made it look better. So as you can see, we've lined them up nicely. Tried the colour order, but it didn't quite work. But almost. If you're colourblind, it looks the same.
Photoshop would fix that.
Yeah, we can fix that. Good point. And then we've got nice silver gathering over there. And then
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Spider-Man.
knowing my balancing skills, are probably fall.
Wait, why the fuck you up there?
Is it a good shot or is it a tree?
Why?
Alright, now we're filming that, and that. Down the hill.
Alright, AJ, you good to go for a quick run just down the hill and back up again?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last one. We join it in the booth.
My name's Jordan and I have a little Audi S4 and I thought I'd do something different with this nice big single turbo and lots and lots of backs.
He's gonna take me for a ride.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at it. How much horsepower does it have?
330 at the moment, but hope to make 500.
Oh!
It's got a bit of a squeaky ceramic clutch, but she does love it.
Like I'm in a rally, eh? 3 left into slow big right.
Slow left turn with a crest.
Cool. Yeah. You feel like you're in a rally.
Thanks for that bite,
Should've just jumped in.
dude.
I know, here I was trying to go through there, right? And I'm thinking, oh, this is a cool road. And then I was like, I don't want to go too fast because I've got 2 people in the booth. I'm like, and I'm worried about like boot going bang on you guys.
Alright, we're good to go.
Yeah. Thanks, Southwestern Ports.
Cheers, everyone.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See ya. Catch up.
All at the camera here.
What a shot. We need a cloth.
A what?
We need a cloth. We'll use your shirt.
Sure. Well, I need a piss. Do you want me to clean it?
Clean it with your piss.
Yeah.
How much have you had to drink?
Is that actually like I've drank a bit?
That's okay.
You're just gonna rip it.
It's a Racewars competitor.
We're in.
Just in time too for the sprint.
Oh, he wants a beer. You want a beer? You want a beer? Give me 10.
I've given him a six-pack already.
Oh, you want a beer?
Hey. He's coming to the sprint tomorrow.
He was hating life. He was like, she had.
I think he had the meth twitch.
He was. I was like, as soon as I rolled up, like we found someone like this.
But dead set, you got to be pretty cracky to want to do something like that for $200 fuel bill. Cardio rigs.
Cardio.
Cardio, motherfucker. Make him go over the top of your
No,
lap.
because you touched my cock. And fuck that.
Yeah, but you like that.
No, I don't actually.
Why?
Because.
He's now a vegan. He doesn't like anything.
No meat.
No, my meat's fine. I just don't want him touching my meat. That's the difference.
Right.
Just told me to wear this fucking shirt.
Oh no, she made
I
me
had the
wear it.
burnout shirt. I didn't have to wear this fucking thing.
Fucking mole.
It's fucking a work shirt.
We've
It's like
been
workwear.
working. We've been sweating. Ours stink.
So
You
does
guys have
mine.
been standing around doing fuck all.
Yeah.
I reused mine. Right.
Boy,
you know how much
dead set,
deodorant
that
I
will do
put
a
in that
burnout
motherfucker?
You
tomorrow.
You know the
What big-
roll on?
Yeah.
Right? I got my
rolled it on
armpits off the shirt and rolled onto the shirt because I didn't think I had another shirt. So I went, I better make it smell good, right?
I'm getting fucking.
It was okay.
I'm getting
It still
solid
fucking
vibes.
stunk, though.
Shay, I'm getting solid.
Well, basically, he won't limit to mammals, right? Let's just limit to that. He'll be limited to mammals. 4 legs, 2 legs. Doesn't really matter.
Got my irons out.
Did you get the irons out?
Yeah.
Have you got irons
straight
out?
irons
Have
out?
you got irons
Yeah,
out?
boy.
Dead set, he straightens his hair.
Wouldn't
Fuck
let,
no.
He's
wouldn't
got
let me
hair
use it on my
straighteners
beard.
and he
So he
straightens
fucking
hair.
uses it all in his hair.
Yeah, that beard. Look at that beard. It's like all woolly and
Did
wishy.
you straighten it? Did
No,
you get the
he wouldn't
straight
let me
iron?
do it.
Everything's a fucking problem if your asshole's that big and the can's that big. It's all a problem, dude.
You've
Yeah,
spent
problem.
too much time in the bad parts of the internet.
See, if
Riggs. You're saying you'll shelf a Jim Beam bottle.
Come on! Yeah! Come on! No! People watch.
What's that? What's there?
Nothing. I gave you a flower and you don't even accept it?
A flower.
What's going on?
Put the effort in to be here. It's fantastic for us, and it's a monumental display of everything that's right in WA car culture. It's our Racewars Grand Champion. Everyone in the room already knows exactly who it is, and it's for a very good reason. There is no one in WA Motorsport who is more dedicated. There is no one in WA Motorsport who's put more into it, and ultimately there is no one in WA Motorsport who is currently faster. Ed Tassone from Active Automotive, you are our Racewars 2020 Grand Champion. Look, you've got a monumental amount of trophies to add, so while they're going to carry them back to the table, would you like to give us a few words?
I'd like to thank everyone that's been involved. We've got, to get something like this, it takes a lot of effort, money, time. Unfortunately, you sometimes have to sacrifice other things as well. But look, main thing is everyone had a great time. One big thing, look, I'm one of the people that had a decent crash. I've had heaps actually, but you know, one good one that's worth talking about. So when the guys today said that this event was cancelled, it's probably one of the best things that I felt could have happened, because yesterday was pretty dangerous. Now I don't know if anyone got to see any of my runs, but started off fairly good, ended up even better, but as the day goes on and the temperature in the track starts to get cooler and cooler, the car becomes a little bit dangerous. So not only did the track eventually dry, but if we come off the track at high speeds and you hit a mud patch or you hit something that's going to possibly sink, not where you only just come off and slide, you're going to come off and you're going to tip that thing arse up. So at the end of the day, the best thing I could have woken up to was some news that they cancelled the event. So I'm really happy about that. Not the fact that we all put so much effort to do this and I really wanted to go further than what I did today, or yesterday shall I say, but safety is number one. You'll learn this one day. You might think I'm weird about it, but honestly, parents, friends, kids, last thing I want to see is the things that happen like that.
Thank you. You are still an amazing competitor. No one in WA has tried harder and gone harder and has a better history in this event than you do. Guys, give it up for your Racewars 2020 Grand Champion!
One final round of applause for Mr. Jonathan Murray. I don't have to say why. Mr. Jonathan Murray. If it wasn't for John's passion and the city of Albany, this shit wouldn't fucking happen. So put your hands together for every single one of you because this is why this happens. Thank you, people. Enjoy your night. Have a good time. We'll see you at Studio 146!
Wait, fuck that visual off.
Who runs this show? John.
John the best. Yes.
John the
Wait, you think John runs it?
Where's Jess and John? Hello, this is John's mum. Hello, John's mum. How are you, sweetheart? Oh, hang on.
Absolutely brilliant. Wasn't my son fabulous?
Yes, he was so good.
Weeks when you going to strip off?
Not yet. These boys all the way from Queensland. Yes. How are you, bro?
Good, mate.
Good, man. You had a good weekend?
Fucking pisser.
Oh, it's a dog. What's that doing? Hey, puppy dog. Yeah, puppy dog.
He's pretty happy about that, too.
Hey, dude, I've never seen you say happy, bro. We got Kyle from 1320. I can't even. There he is. You're way better than this. No idea how to use it. You insert it, you fucking potato. Bend over. We have the WTF man himself. Hey. How are you, brother? What's going on?
What's up, guys?
I'm a fucking pro. Brother! Hey, brother! Hey! Mr. RSA!
Holy shit, don't break my camera.
Here's all the walkout team. Here's all the boys. How are you guys? Hello! He probably doesn't want to be on camera, but there's the man of the moment right there. And there's the real boss.
Hey, takes all my money. And don't know it.
This is the fastest woman in the country right here. There she is. Hello. Where's the little one gone? Gone to sleep. Okay. The whole active team. They've done an awesome job this weekend. Oh, here it is.
Oh, look out. Oh, look out.
Hey.
I want to introduce you to Tim. Oh my God. This is Tim.
Tim. Hey, Tim.
Oh, yeah. He's a valuable asset of Racewars. Right? Tim does so much for Racewars. Right? Almost as much as Chai. Just not much.
Hey. Hello.
Hey,
I'm getting good.
hey, no, you're not. You're as good on a camera as you are on a microphone.
Oh, hey.
It's fucking hopeless on a microphone. Right.